Hello, my name is Gary Franks from Remax Realty. This Sunday, July 29th, we're going to be having an open house here. We're going to have food, we're going to have drinks, we're going to have music, we're going to have a party. If you want to see the inside of the house, you're going to have to come out and see it, all right? In the meantime, let's take a look at the neighborhood. This is another angle to the house. This is looking down the street. Let's come back to the house and the other side. The house is located on a street with a cul-de-sac. This is the elementary school within maybe a half a mile from the house. This is another angle from the elementary school. It's really nice around here. Very nice.